Let's see how to bend a line in Canva. First off, you want to create a design. For example's sake, I'm choosing poster. We then go to elements, and we can choose any line we want to bend. Here, I'm going to choose a basic line. You can also change the line's thickness in the top left portion where we can see line weight. If we increase the line weight, its thickness also increases, but if we decrease the line weight, its thickness decreases. Now to bend the line, we just need to look for this icon. It's a line with circles on both ends. Selecting it will show a drop-down of ways you can change the line. For this example, we're going to select curved. After selecting curved, you're going to notice that our line has 3 circles. We can just drag the middle circle on the line to change how it curves. Play with it however you want until you get your desired curved line. That's it. That's how you bend the line in Canva. See you soon!